Acne is a common skin condition that affects millions of people worldwide. It occurs when hair follicles become clogged with oil and dead skin cells, leading to pimples, blackheads, and whiteheads. While it's often associated with teenagers, acne can affect people of all ages. Causes of acne. Understanding the root causes of acne is the first step towards effective treatment. The main causes include hormonal changes, hormonal fluctuations during puberty, menstruation, pregnancy, and stress can trigger acne. Diet. Certain foods, especially those high in sugars and dairy, can exacerbate acne. Stress can increase the production of hormones that stimulate oil production in the skin. Genetics. If your parents had acne, you are more likely to experience it too. Bacteria. The presence of bacteria called Propionibacterium acnes can lead to inflammation and acne. Natural remedies for acne. There are several natural remedies that can help manage and reduce acne. These remedies focus on reducing inflammation, controlling oil production, and keeping the skin clean and healthy. 1. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is known for its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, making it an effective natural remedy for acne. How to use. Dilute tea tree oil with a carrier oil like coconut or jojoba oil to avoid irritation. Apply the mixture to the affected areas using a cotton swab. Leave it on for a few hours or overnight and rinse off with warm water. 2. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is renowned for its soothing and healing properties. It can help reduce redness and inflammation associated with acne. How to use. Extract the gel from an aloe vera leaf. Apply the gel directly to the acne-prone areas. Leave it on for 20 minutes and rinse off with warm water. Repeat twice daily. 3. Honey and cinnamon mask. Honey has antibacterial properties and can help soothe the skin, while cinnamon has anti-inflammatory effects. How to use. Mix 2 tablespoons of honey with 1 teaspoon of cinnamon to form a paste. Apply the mask to your face and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse off with warm water. Use this mask once or twice a week. Stress can trigger hormonal changes that lead to acne. Managing stress effectively is essential for maintaining clear skin. Techniques. Practice mindfulness and meditation to reduce stress. Engage in hobbies and activities. Thank you for watching video. Write your opinion about treat acne naturally in video comment section.